take off. Yeah, because I brought them. Oh look, there's a...
I'm not that interested in
The Delta's gonna turn around and then take off that way.
Yeah.
Like, move. Wait, there's another one?
United.
Oh yeah, there's a United coming. There's a ERJ 145 thing. It's an ERJ 1 thing.
I want to see an Airbus A300. That's
Those
it.
are, well, yeah,
They could come through.
those are more common in like Russia and stuff.
United.
Bro, it's so busy.
It's an ERJ what?
145.
Where's landing?
See them coming in?
Where?
Oh look, there's one landing over there.
Oh, it's a Cessna. It's a Cessna.
It's a Piper. It's just a little Piper.
It's a Piper.
Stand back a little bit.
It's a Piper landing.
About this way.
I wonder why this is random. That's noisy. They are supposed to.
That's why they're so popular.
Look at little Cessna.
Look at the Piper. The little Piper. Look, the United is about to take off.
Oh, it takes off there. Oh, it's going on to the other one.
That bus would be
Oh, it's just going on to the other one.
Yeah, it's going on to that.
So it can turn around. The Delta's gonna take off in like... Oh look, the Delta's gonna take off.
Oh yeah, it's on the
It's on the runway.